Hello, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to tell you how to get this sort of a gradient on your Shopify store, this gradient background. Before I do that, don't copy this store. It's a very bad store. Why I'm shooting this video is because I'm literally taking the code off of my website about how to do this gradient. But I will demonstrate it. So you can see here it starts with a light pink, and then as you go down the page it goes to a purple, and then to a blue, and then to a green, a lighter green, and then a yellow, and then a red, and then a pink again. Okay, so that's the gradient background. I would highly suggest not doing this. Maybe one can do it very subtly, but I just find it just does way too much. There's too much going on in the store, so I'm taking it off my store. But in the meantime, I'll tell you how to do it if you want to do it subtly or something. If you want to do it crazy, sure, here you go. There's an article here, Shopify. I just looked up how to do what did I look up? Gradient background Shopify, and then this page comes up. Okay, here's the page. Adding CSS gradient background from gradient generator. Sure, there's a page. So they give you the code here. You can go in and copy this, and you can see these numbers. These will be your colors. So you can change these based on your gradient generator. So you can use any gradient generator you want. This is a good one, cssgradient.io. You pick your colors, do whatever. I want to pick this. Oh, you want to add a color? I want to add a color here. But this color I want to be more red, and this color I want to be, let's just try to kind of replicate the one I had before on my site already. Pink, whatever. So you go through, and one of these was green. So we'll make it like that. And this was, I guess, should be lighter. And this was a lighter blue as well. So something like that, obviously I would make this a lot nicer. But then what you can do is you can copy these hex codes, and then you can replace them to where these ones are. These colors, replace them with the colors you get from your gradient generator. Okay, so then as you're doing that, you will copy and you will paste it in your Shopify code. So let's go in here. We're on themes, or online store themes, and then we'll click actions, edit code. Wow, 5 minutes goes by very fast. I'm sorry, I'm trying to go very fast, trying to go as fast as I can. Edit code, and then you want to click on, it would come up. It's a little bit slow when I record my screen and my camera and everything at the same time. You click on liquid theme editor or something like that. Wow. What's going on? Just as I go to pause it. Okay, so then you go to Theme Liquid. You click on Theme Liquid, and you go to the bottom of the code, and you paste in what you just got from the Shopify thing there. So you copy this, Command A, no, not Command A. You copy this, Command C. You go to your Shopify, you start a new line, Command V, and you change your colors with the ones you just got, okay? So in my case, I'm actually going to delete this part because I don't want that gradient, so we press delete and press save. Yeah, if you want to change it, you can change the percentages on it, because you can see here it gives you percentages. Well, mine had percentages. If you want to go back in the video and look at the code that I just deleted, it has percentages. You can change the percentages and change the colors, where the colors come in based on the percentages. So you can play around with the colors, you can play around with the percentages. But yeah, again, I wouldn't recommend doing this, but if you really want to, here's a quick video on how to do that. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Have a good day. Bye.